Unraveling the Mystery. Giddy as a Kipper Explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating expression from the English language, giddy as a kipper. This phrase is a colorful way to describe someone's state of excitement or happiness. But where does it come from, and what exactly does it mean? Stay tuned as we unpack everything you need to know about this intriguing expression. Giddy as a kipper is a British idiom that paints a vivid picture of someone being extremely happy, excited, or in a state of silly euphoria. The word giddy itself means feeling dizzy or lightheaded, often from excitement, while a kipper is a type of fish, specifically a herring, that has been split and preserved in salt before being cold smoked. The comparison to a kipper might seem odd at first, but it's all part of the charm and humor found in idiomatic expressions. The exact origins of the phrase are a bit murky, as is often the case with idioms. It's believed to be of British origin, reflecting the British fondness for quirky and humorous expressions. Kippers were a common and popular food item, especially for breakfast, in Britain. The phrase, giddy as a kipper, could possibly derive from the appearance of kippers being split open and looking somewhat extravagant, or the light-heartedness in comparing a person's giddy state to the unlikely joy of a smoked fish. Using giddy as a kipper in conversation is a great way to add some flavor and color to your speech. It's most appropriately used in informal settings among friends or in playful dialogue. For example, after winning the lottery, he was giddy as a kipper. Seeing her after all these years left me giddy as a kipper. It conveys a level of excitement that's not just happy but overjoyed, almost to the point of being comically exaggerated. While giddy as a kipper is understood and appreciated in the UK, it's worth noting that idiomatic expressions like this one can be quite cultural and regional. If you're learning English and plan to use this phrase, remember that it might not be widely recognized outside of British English contexts. However, introducing such expressions can also be a fun way to share and explore different aspects of English-speaking cultures. We hope this video has made you a bit giddy with knowledge about the phrase, giddy as a kipper. Idioms like this one add richness and color to the English language, reflecting the history, culture, and humor of the people who use them. Keep exploring the fascinating world of English expressions, and perhaps you'll find more gems that are as intriguing as being giddy as a kipper. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.